Hi there, welcome to my studio. I've been busy painting my surroundings, my easels, my canvases, my paints. I just love the textures in the studio, the colors. I always paint my environment. If I'm in the city, I love to look out of the window and watch the people walking by, the cars, the busy activities of the city. When I'm working in my own country studio, life is a little quieter, and so the canvases, the compositions are quieter. Sometimes I like to start a painting with a poem or a thought painted on the canvas. It's already disappeared, so you can't see it, but I really think that it influences what happens on top of it as I build layers of paint. This is coming along quite nicely, so I hope you'll come back to the studio in a little while and see what has happened to it when it's all finished.